So, hello friends. The other day I went to a flea market and then I found this rather interesting lens. It's a Pentacon 29 millimeters unusual focal length. Usually it's 28 or 25, at least in Nikon. This is what I use. And then the lens was extremely cheap because it was very dirty. Let me get the cover here. You see, the lens was pretty much this color of the deer here, and then okay, I took it, got it home, cleaned it as best as I could, and then I realized that it was also a bit dirty on the inside. So probably you can see it here. Let me get lights on, and then I can even zoom, and then you see all those particles there. That's the interior of the lens. And then I also noticed that there was a bit of haze in the lens. Let me see if we can catch a glimpse of that. Okay, not a big deal. I'm going to show you that and just after. But you know that haze, it destroys contrast in a lens, as I can show you in this picture I made. Not with this lens, another one which was an extreme case. It's a box of film, and then you have the lens which had a lot of haze. So you can see the image, it has like zero contrast. And then once I disassembled the lens and cleaned it, yeah, you see the difference. You see the colors are nice. Yeah, everything is a lot better. So that's for the haze. And then since we're going to open the lens anyway to clean the dust, we're going to eliminate the haze as well. And then, okay, so let me show you how to disassemble this lens, which is very easy. So first thing, so you need to remove this ring. So first, obviously you get the lens spanner. You put it into the slots here, here and here, and you get it loose. I got it loose already. Then you can rotate as I'm doing until almost the end. Then you need to have some uniform pressure so the ring doesn't get tilted and block. Okay, so this is it, and then here you will find two slots here and then two slots on the bottom, as I'm showing you now. Probably this one is easier to see as demonstration. Then you can do two things. So you can either remove this ring, which retains the barrel here, the exterior barrel, or you can, if it is the first time, you can use the rubber ring here, just to make this part move. And then generally it's going to move all these at once, which is the optical part of the front. So I'll call it the front group, and then yeah, you can remove it here, and then here, as you can see, we very quickly will reach the part where the aperture blades are, and then this is where all the dust collects in lenses as year passes. So this is what we're going to clean, and then the haze is inside here, which to open it, because initially it is glue, so I took the lens this way to be able to hold it with my hand and get a good grip, and then with the other one I came here to catch the ring, and then I forced until yeah, the glue broke, and then I was able to remove the ring. Once the glue breaks, it's extremely easy to remove. And then, as you can see, I can remove this, Then if it is too much affected, you can even remove this ring here and then the lens behind. I have some haze in here as well, so I will need to remove this part as well. As you're seeing, come out. Okay, so let me show you the case we have. Then okay. Oh, it's not obvious to see. Let me get some light. Zoom a bit. Focus on the right plane. And then, yeah, you have it here. Okay, you see that haze. Okay, this is going to kill the contrast in your lens. And then here in this one as well. Probably I'm having too much light. Yeah, you see that haze. It's a bit difficult to see from the outside, but as you can see, it is a bit significant inside. So this will obviously have an impact on the contrast of the lens. Okay, so as you can see and saw before, lens is extremely easy to disassemble. Now we're going to proceed to the cleaning of it. So I'm going to stop the video for a few seconds, just the time of getting my cleaning tools. So see you. Okay, so we're here. We're going to clean the lens as usual. We get our cleaning stuff. So optical cleaning fluid, isopropyl alcohol, diluted to 80-90% does the trick as well. Vinegar does the trick as well. Then a blower just to remove the dust, and then optical cleaning paper. Take a brown one, it's not very expensive anyway, and then I cut it in small sheets so I can clean the lenses well, and then that's pretty much what we need to clean our lenses. So procedure is rather straightforward. I will show it to you for one particular lens, then just need to repeat because yeah, it's not complicated at all. Let me probably zoom a bit, just to illustrate it. Then I will stop the video after I clean it. So you apply the cleaning fluid, and then you get the paper here, and then you rub. So circular cleaning pattern from the interior to the exterior. So you have to pass a few times, and then at the end, yeah, it's okay. So this is how you get the lens clean. So you might need to do it according to the condition of your lens, but that's pretty much it. So I will do all the cleaning here, all these parts, and then I come back to you for reassembling the lens, and then it will be fixed and we will be happy. Okay, see you in a few seconds. Hello again. I did the cleaning. So this part, which was like the most important, I assembled it already because I don't want to get dust into the lenses, but the haze went away. The coating was sadly damaged on one side, but it's not a big deal. We're able to remove much of the haze. Here the dust was removed, so what I did, in order not to have to remove the back lens group, I use a Q-tip, and then I put some optical cleaning paper on the tip, and then I just rub it. It works quite nice. And then for the assembly of the lens, it's rather straightforward. So I put it here. Okay, we put it in the slot. We rotate it until we reach the end. We will clean this lens at the end. You get that. Then the ring, which I start to put. Then take it back. The part I was using in the beginning to remove the thing. Just be careful here not to scratch the lens. And then you're done. Your lens is good for a few more years, and then it wasn't really expensive at the end of the day. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video, and see you next time.